Welcome to the channel My Home My Study. Today we'll be learning In the Time of Silver Rain poem. So let's begin. Through the poem In the Time of Silver Rain, the poet Langston Hughes wants to show how rain adds to the glory and beauty of everything around us. The poet says that the water droplets shine when they fall from the sky and look as if they are silver in color. He says that because of rain, our planet gets a new life after the harsh summer. The dried grass and pale flowers get their shiny colors back. The different colors of nature return and light up the land, leaving us in wonder of the beauty of life. The poet says that as the rainbow forms in the sky, the butterflies also spread their wings and begin to fly. It looks as if they have caught the bright colors of the rainbow on their delicate and soft wings, the leaves of trees that fall in the autumn grow back and the splash of raindrops on them on people. The poet says that when you walk down the road, young boys and girls also pass you by happily singing and enjoying the rain. The poet ends the poem by talking about the seasons of spring after it rains. The arrival of spring is a sign of rebirth and the beginning of a fresh life. As we know, also starts once again because of the rain and spring. स्टूडेंट्स, जो पोएट है लैंगस्टन हगेश, वो क्या बता रहे हैं कि जैसे समर के बाद जब बारिश होती है तो कितना रिलैक्स फील होता है, यानी गर्मी के बाद जैसी बारिश होती है तो पूरा मौसम क्या हो जाता है, चेंज हो जाता है। तो यही पोएम में यही बताया गया है। स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं दिए गए हैं, क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको यहाँ से कॉपी करना है। What does the earth do in the times of silver rain? In the times of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Second, what happens to grass and the flowers when it rains? The grass grows back and the flowers lift their heads up when it rains. Next question. Why do butterflies lift their silken wings? Butterflies lift their wings to catch a rainbow cry. टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको क्वेश्चन नहीं दिए गए हैं, आपको यहाँ से कॉपी करना है। फर्स्ट वन, फाइंड द पेयर्स ऑफ राइमिंग वर्ड्स यूज्ड एट द एंड ऑफ द लाइंस इन दी पोएम। तो यहाँ पर मैंने राइमिंग वर्ड भी दिया है और वर्ड स्टडी भी दिया है, यहाँ से आप कॉपी कर लो। फोर्थ का मतलब होता है फॉरवर्ड यानी आगे। वंडर समथिंग दैट कॉज एस्टोनिशमेंट एंड एडमिनेशन। सिल्क एंड हैविंग स्मूथ सॉफ्ट लाइट टेक्सचर। राइमिंग वर्ड्स रेन again, again plain, hats spread, wings sing, sing spring, sky cry to new. See the question number 2. Read the poem aloud using proper intonation. Third one, if you were to draw landscape on the basis of this poem, what elements will you show in it? What colors will you use? So answer will come like this. If I were to draw a landscape on the basis of this poem, I will concentrate on natural and human elements and how they are affected by rain. I will show how the colors of flowers get deeper and brighter. I will use a mixture of vibrant and subtle colors such as green, pink, yellow, blue, white, grey, etc. to show how rains bring back to the color of everything around us. Now see the question number 4. The spatial arrangement of short lines make you think about every detail. If you write the sentence in the usual manner, it does not have the same effect. For example, the first stanza would be the something like the earth puts forth new life again, green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and the wonder of life spread all over the plains in time of silver rain. Now try the following. Write one or two sentences about something beautiful using your own experience or imagination. Then arrange the words in the sentence in a poetic form. You may write about a beautiful day, a beautiful night, a stream, etc. Answer. The bright, beautiful stars were shining in the night. The moon lit up the entire sky. These sentences can also be written in poetic manner. For example, shine in the night, those beautiful little stars, oh so bright. The entire sky lit up with the silver moonlight. तो यहाँ पर मैंने नाइट का एग्जाम्पल लिया है और पोएट ने किसका लिया था, रेन का लिया था। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में वही है कि एग्जाम्पल लेके खुद से पोएम पोएटिक डिवाइस बनाना है। नेक्स्ट इज fill in the following blanks with reference to the poem. In time of rain, when spring and life are new, the butterflies lift their silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky as passing boy and girls to go singing down the roadway. Next one, think and answer. Is the poet talking about heavy rains in the rainy seasons or rain that has come after a long time? Answer, the poet is talking about rain that has come after a long time. Next question, are the boys and girls happy that it is raining? Answer, yes, the boys and girls are happy that it is raining. Next question. See the next one. Find out the following with the help of your teacher and the internet. Seasonal rains, monsoon in the India and other countries. Rain in countries like UK which experience spring, summer, autumn, winter. तो अपनी टीचर की हेल्प से या आपको इंटरनेट से ये फाइंड आउट करना है. Question number 8. Talk about your favorite season. A 1-minute activity. My favorite season is winter season. The weather becomes cool and pleasant. I get a chance to sleep under a warm blanket and have a hot cup of tea or coffee. I like wearing colorful woolen clothes including jackets, sweaters, scarf, etc. during this time. It also the season of festivals. My favorite festival like Diwali and Christmas are in the winter season and the vibrant decorations as well as the grand celebration make me feel happy. तो 1 मिनट में आपको ये पढ़ना है. This is called 1-minute activity. Next is language study. Alliteration. When the same sound occurs at the beginning of 2 or more words in the same line, it is called alliteration. देखो figure of speech में हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ पर alliteration. Example, Nana needs new notebook. इसमें कौन सा लेटर रिपीट हुआ है बार बार? NN. तो बिगिनिंग लेटर जो मतलब सेम लेटर रिपीट होगा तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? alliteration. Find an examples of alliteration from the poem. तो पोयम में से भी एलिट्रेशन पोयम का एग्जांपल देखो, ग्रीन ग्रासेस ग्रो, तो इसमें जी जी क्या हुआ है, बार बार आया, तो इसको क्या बोलेंगे? एलिट्रेशन. नेक्स्ट इज द सेल्फलेस सन sacrifices his soul. नेक्स्ट इज हिज हॉरिबल हेयर स्टाइल मेड हर फेंट, तो इसमें कौन सा लेटर कंटिन्यू हुआ है? एच, तो इसको क्या बोलेंगे? एलिट्रेशन. Students, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Do comment, do like the video. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर ये क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज़ आपको पसंद आती है तो इस वीडियो को अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें और हमको इससे मोटिवेशन मिलेगा, तो मैं नई नई वीडियोस इसी पे आपके लिए लाते रहूँगी. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय.